for today's video, we will create a glass wine by using boundary base or bows. So watch this video and learn.
Good day guys. So first, click top plane and then click for each sketch. And then after you click the sketch, go to reference geometry and then click plane to add more planes. So to our video, let's add 7 planes. So after you add 7 planes, then the next step will be add sketch for each planes. So let's draw a circle to our top plane. Then circle again to our plane 1. But since we want to draw only one shape for all the planes, let's click offset entities to copy the shape. After we add sketch for each plane, we can finally apply the boundary base or bows. So just click direction 1 filling with the blue color and then click for each circle that were attached to our planes. Then it shows us how boundary base or bows function. So we are finally done. We have now our glass wine by using feature boundary base or bows.